Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the tech news update for Wednesday, May the 4th, 2016. And today in our news bulletin, we have Android Marshmallow, which is version 6, is apparently the only version now that is actually increasing in its Android market share. And pretty much all the other versions are slowly, going down basically. But yet, only 7.5% of devices are running Marshmallow. Android has a major problem with these updates, and it's the fact that it's very complicated to update all the devices. Many companies take a lot of time to update devices, which is kind of sad. It's not like mainstream, basically like Windows, or more like iOS on the Apple side. So if we look at the numbers, 32.8% of people have KitKat 4.4. The winner is Lollipop version 5 and 5.1 together are at 35.6%. And, Marshmallow 7.5%. But gaining, and gaining fast apparently. Well, we heard of the insider preview for Windows. We've heard of the insider preview for Office. Well, a new insider preview program is available, and it's the Bing Insider Preview, where you'll see all sorts of new details and new Bing pages, and also all sorts of services through Bing before everybody else. So if you head on to the Microsoft website, you can search for the Bing Insider Preview program, sign up, and try it out if that interests you. Well, in the Build conference, Microsoft did talk a lot about the app converter, the Project Centennial, where Win32 apps were going to be transferred and sent to the Windows Store. Well, that project is actually starting to show up. A few of the regular desktop apps are actually being seen in the Windows Store. Some people have been reporting that, for example, the Notepad is in the Windows Store, and that a few other programs, Win32 programs, are actually in the Windows Store right now. So that's kind of interesting to see that at least Project Centennial is actually working. Major breach in data. This is reported this morning by Reuters News and has been picked up also by Tech Radar. So we were not really sure of the importance to give to this, but you know what? We should always give a lot of importance when we hear this. So if you own a Gmail, Yahoo Mail, or Hotmail account, and especially if you don't have two-factor authentication, you should change your password. And I'll have a separate video talking a little bit more as the details get clearer. But apparently hundreds of millions of accounts with password and everything are in the wild and being kind of sold between bad guys, apparently. So we'll have more with another video in a short while. Google Health is going to do a nice project. They have asked the UK government for access to 1.6 million health records in the UK. And the object is to check out and try to prevent major problems before they arise in your health. So you could get alerts telling you, for example, hey, you might be at risk of having a heart attack now. You might be at risk of this or that. You should go and check out or go to your doctors and so on. So this is the good side of what could happen with technology, trying to give us basically a better, healthier life. Windows 10 Insider Previews. Gabriel Hall of the Insider team did say today in a Twitter post that there will not be any Insider Previews this week for PCs and for mobile. Reason is a pretty tough bug in the Windows 10 operating system insider preview. So it doesn't pass really the test before they issue this to insiders. So don't look for any insider previews this week. It won't happen apparently. And talking about Windows 10, there's a net applications post that said that by the look of things, by the way things are going, when we reach July, which will be the first year of Windows 10, apparently we will have approximately 20% of all the computers in the world that will be running Windows 10, which is not bad. You know, it's the fastest, basically the fastest growing Windows, that's for sure. And 20% of computers around the world will be running Windows 10 is actually pretty nice. Now, we'll be waiting, of course, to the decision of Microsoft. What will they do? Will they, you know, charge us for that, or will they still continue free upgrade after July? We're not really sure. But it's interesting to see these numbers show up. So that's the tech news that we have for Wednesday, May the 4th, 2016. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, let us know. Give us thumbs up if you like the videos, and hopefully you like our videos. You can subscribe and you'll know when new videos are online. Thank you for watching.